Hi, I'm Steve from Chemline, and as part of Chemline's commitment to excellent customer service, I'm going to show you how to disassemble your Fusion AP spray gun. First, here are some features on the gun. This is your safety on the back. To disengage, you push in and rotate to the left. To re-engage, you push in and rotate to the right. This is the grease zerk fitting and your tip. To disassemble, all you need is a small screwdriver. The first thing to do is take off the air cap. Then remove the compression ring. After removing the compression ring, we'll loosen the side seals. There's a flat space here that allows for leverage. Once completed, rotate the compression ring, leaving behind the mix chamber. To remove the mix chamber, rotate and pull. These parts can all be cleaned in solvent. What you have left is the handle of the gun, and all you need to do is wipe that handle off. You don't have to take it apart on a routine cleaning. Now, taking the fluid assembly, you want to remove the side seal cartridges completely. First, loosen them with the screwdriver as a pry bar, and they pull right out. Then remove the check valves the same way. Moving the check valve, they also have a flat spot to pry against for leverage. Moving your check valves and your filter housing all at the same time. Again, for this gun, A side or ISO is marked A, and there are no markings on the B side or resin. Side seal and the filter housing are both marked A. Each one of the filter cartridges is also a check valve, so we can pull the filter off, then unscrew the post in the center of the check valve housing. Here we get three parts: post, a spring, and your check valve ball, as well as an O-ring that seats it into place. To take apart the side seal cartridges, we do not want to pull on it with pliers, because a pair of pliers will leave tool marks that can and will leave permanent damage on the side seal. Again, we use a small screwdriver or a rag to simply pull the side seal out of the side seal cartridge. It has two parts: the cartridge itself and the seal. The small spring acts as leverage, which pushes against the mix chamber. That spring is what exerts pressure on both the side seal, which rides very intimately with the mix chamber. Again, all the A-side parts on this gun are marked with an A. That includes the housing or the fluid head, the side seal itself, and the appropriate filter housing. Thanks for watching this video on disassembly of your Fusion AP spray gun presented by Chemline. Click here to watch the next video in our series on cleaning your Fusion AP spray gun, or head to chemline.net to learn more about our company. You can also subscribe to get more videos in our series by hitting the bell icon on YouTube. Thanks for watching.